Jr Dragsters. My name is Bill. If you haven't learned about it yet, go ahead and check us out at Jr Dragster Plus. That'll be, I'll add a link at the bottom of this video here. And my username on the board is Wild Bill. Go ahead, ask it all the questions you want. There are no silly questions, just, we've heard it all before and we've all been there before. So go ahead, give us a shout out and check us out, and we'll all be more than happy to help you. Now, on to the video. Alright everybody, welcome back. Hope you guys found the other videos informative and learned something from them. Today's video, we're going to discuss chain breaks. Breaking a chain, I'm going to be doing it on a 35, 415, 420, all the same. So, let's get to it. Alright, now that we got you moved in close enough to where you can see, what you have here is basically your standard 35 chain break. It's got two pins. One has a little nib on the end. That's for pressing the pins out and separating the chain. You see it goes in with the slot there to receive the pin as it comes out of the chain. The other one is nothing more than pretty much your standard Allen bolt. This one, you can see it's got a receiver to flip the chain over, receives the pin, so you can press it back in. Take that out. Yep. Basic standard Allen bolt, although it does look like it has a little bit of a dimple right in there to get a good beat on the pin to push it in. Use your standard 1/4 inch Allen key. Again, I'm using a T-handle. Use whatever you got. Doesn't matter. Alright. Take our chain out. Now this is an old chain. 35 Regina gold. Always use the gold chain. Definitely stronger and better than anything you get at the hardware store. But definitely don't want to gum it up. Reason we use a chain break: no master links in the chain. We do not want to use master links. Master links have a nasty habit of coming apart. And it will come apart at the worst possible time for you. Alright. Let's get down to business here. You see, chain brake has little teeth lined, just like a gear. If slot sits right in there, make sure it's backed out. Your pin's backed out so it'll get down in there. I like to take the pin setting one and kind of lock the, just give it a little tension just so the chain can't come out. And you'll take your Allen key on the pin remover screw and just start screwing it in, and it will drive that pin right on out of there. Some brakes, depending on how they're made, may allow you to take the pin, press the pin completely out. I'm not sure. I don't think this one does. I think if I bottom out that pin like so, back off the other one, back this one out completely so the pin is not in there. I'm going to make sure you get that pin completely out of the, the pressing pin completely out of the bore there. Oh, yep, she's out. And you should press it a little bit more. Didn't quite have it all the way out there. Try not to press the pin completely out so it comes out of the link altogether, because it's kind of a bear to put back together and get all lined up. Let's see if that got it. Alright, there we go. Should come out now. Or come apart now. Hopefully I didn't push that pin out too far. Nope. And there she is. Now putting it back together. Take your other screw here, back it out. Now you'll have to flip the chain over, flip the brake over. You got your pin, put it in the slot here, line that up with your teeth, get the rest of your links in there. Get everything pushed down so it's nice and flush. Again, we'll install the other pin just to keep everything lined up and in place. And gently at first, make sure everything's going smooth and straight till it gets started. There she goes. And just drive her home. Get through the other side. You'll feel it start to go through the other end of the link there. And feel it bottom out. Back them off. There you go. Alright, there you have it. A quick little video on using a chain brake to separate chain so you don't have to use the master link and risk your chain coming apart probably at the worst possible time. Excuse me. And I know it's a short, quick little video, but it's not all that hard, rather simple. Just thought I'd share that with you. And hope you guys have checked out Jr Dragster Plus. And we'll see you next time.